Right then, we've got one of yours here again. So this came in this morning, Milwaukee grinder, and you can see here, looks like someone's had a good time with this. They've somehow smashed one of these discs right the way round. Hopefully no one got hurt though, but let's see what happens if it still works. Still works okay. Yeah, that's good. So still works fine. So let's see what else is wrong with this. Let's just try and fix this head, get this disc off, see what else is going on with it. And that's another problem there actually. When you depress the button on the back, the spindle lock, it's not actually engaging, so this is just spinning and spinning. So as I go to turn this anti-clockwise, when I get my fat fingers on this tool, it just carries on. So I'm fully depressed on the back. I know you can't see it, but definitely is. So potentially when this was damaged and cracked, the impact may have done something here. There's a little spring in there and there's a rubber O-ring as well, so we'll get this open somehow. We'll have a look at those. We'll get the clamps out if I can't get this thing off, and we'll do that. Also, there's basically like a bolt, if you like, in there, bolt head that could have been worn down. I've seen those before, but we'll have a look in a second. I'm sure I'll be able to get this off at the right angle. And these are the universal ones, if you've seen these before. They're quite good because you can use it on any, of course. I tried to get those finger locking ones now as well, but even they get quite tight actually. But we've got it off. There's the last of that disc there. So let's have a look inside. We'll magic the screws off. Look, there we go. Have a look inside and we'll see what's going on. And you can see there, hopefully instantly, about 12 o'clock there, where it's a little bit of shiny metal. It's been worn down on the inside, so it's basically not catching the back of the gear, and it's not holding it still, so you can get that off. So fairly inexpensive those, but what I'll do, I'll let this customer know, see what they want to do. Probably about 15-ish pounds these, not too bad. Everything else seems to be running okay, so it's just going to be this. I'll swap all the grease out, get it running again, and we should be fine. You've got to change the grease really, because it'll have bits of metal shards in there. Don't want to damage any of the gears. And that's it. So this should be a real simple one, so I'll get that ordered once they give me the nod.